Hello, welcome to our shop. My name is Nana and this is Cal Auto Body. We are a family-run business locally here in Colma, right next to Daly City. We provide all range of auto body collision repair, including full paint restoration, frame and structural. We do detailing on the side. We also replace back shields, windshields, and door glasses.
I've been dealing with Nana for over almost 20 years and have sent her a lot of customers. I guarantee you that she will do an amazing job on any vehicle, new or old.
Our company works with Enterprise Rent-A-Car very closely. We can offer you an amazing 20 to 30% discount on your rent-a-car through Enterprise. Cal Auto Body provides shuttle services for customers who will need it.
I'd like to just let you know that I have known Nana for many years, and over all these years she has shown to me her wonderful expertise and her outstanding quality of service that she provides to all of her customers who bring their cars in. I would highly recommend and strongly urge you to bring your car to Cal Auto Body to Nana, who has excellent service. She's 5-star. She is the best auto person I've ever had the opportunity to know and work with.
We have really friendly staff, experienced in all aspects of insurance claim processing. We will video update you to show the repair progress. We have lifetime warranty on all models.
If you're looking for somebody who will make sure that everything is done right, make sure that you are in good hands, make sure that you are well taken care of, Cal Auto Body is the way to go.
Please choose our shop and call us, because remember, at Cal Auto Body, we are not satisfied until you are.